hours are extremely crucial because Cyclone Nisarga will be making landfall close to Alibag. It is North Maharashtra which is likely to get the most affected, also southern Gujarat. In that sense, we keep putting out the latest visuals we're picking up. Also, a breaking update. Now, the cyclone is 60 kilometers away from Alibag. So the distance is only shortening now, 60 kilometers away. The next 1 or 2 hours is when we're expecting Cyclone Nisarga to make landfall close to Alibag itself. So you have the NDRF teams which have been deployed across Maharashtra, several districts in Maharashtra and Gujarat as well. Indian Navy, Coast Guard, everyone on standby, preparations on in full swing to deal with the situation. But we are looking at heavy winds. We are looking at high tides already. So the situation in Maharashtra, the west coast certainly looking serious at this point in time, because remember, this comes less than 2 weeks after what we saw happened in parts of West Bengal and Odisha, wherein parts of West Bengal were left devastated because of Cyclone Ampan. And now you have another danger looming over the state of Maharashtra at a time when the state is dealing with the pandemic, is in the center of it all. Rhythm, my colleague, also with us. Rhythm, this kind of a situation, a city like Mumbai, several districts in Maharashtra are witnessing after close to a century. So certainly unprecedented in that sense. And at a time that the city is battling the pandemic, the number of cases rising exponentially each passing day. So certainly difficult times.
Absolutely. But let's tell our viewers the preparations, Christine, that have been made at this point of time to ensure everything is in place. So let's tell our viewers the Indian Coast Guard Region West mobilized 8 disaster relief teams for Maharashtra to respond to any requirement of humanitarian assistance and disaster relief arising due to impending landfall of the cyclone. In fact, it could be making a landfall, like you said, the severe cyclonic storm close to Alibag. Remember, that's 94 kilometers south of Mumbai on Wednesday afternoon. It could be with a wind speed of 100 and 110 kmh, gusting to 120. IMD had said this. It could be affecting the coastal districts of Maharashtra, including Mumbai, Gujarat, other neighboring states. We're also being told that there was an emergency response team at Veeramata, Jijibai Bhonsle Udyan and Zoo with all necessary equipment that was deputed to even be tackling any untoward incident. There was also the BMC had CCTV monitoring of prone areas also taking place. In fact, the BMC has also said in the wake of this, they had shifted the entire zoo animals, including all the tigers, etc., including their holding areas. The NDRF teams, Prithvi, had taken note. They were on standby in Surat as well. In Gujarat, also NDF teams at coastal areas near the Valsad district had also taken stock of the situation. A total of 13,541 people had been evacuated to safer places in the district, which was in the Raigad area. So all the lines had also been taken care of. Let me also tell you, the power lines had been switched off in Panvel and in Kamote area, and also there was this there was some power failures that were being heard of in some areas, but that was also being taken care of. Near the Versova beach, the NDRF teams have been deployed in Mumbai in view of the adverse weather conditions. So the sense we are trying to give our viewers, despite this impending cyclone, we're also being told the NDRF teams, the disaster relief things that have to take place are already in place. And in fact, the NDRF commandant Anup Srivastav, who's also spoken out, has said 40,000 people have already been evacuated to safer places from various locations in the seabelt areas of Maharashtra to ensure that relief is already taking place. Now, we'll also tell our viewers what the Met Department has said at this time. Severe cyclonic storm Nisarga centered at 10:30 a.m. over the east-centered Arabian Sea near latitude of 17.8 degrees north and long was also going to be taking place is what near Surat, like you had mentioned earlier, Prithvi was going to be there. The cyclone could possibly be passing. The Mumbai police sources had also stated that the cyclone could possibly be passing areas of Maharashtra. Necessary precautions had been put into place. In Mumbai, the NDRF teams along with the BMC has evacuated the local residents near the seashore in Versova to safer places in view of the cyclone. It it could possibly be crossing Maharashtra coast between Hariheshwar and Daman, very close to Alibag, between 1 p.m. and 4 p.m. Visuals that were coming in from Alibag were very clear. Landfall is likely in Daman at about, right about now, and about 4,300 people in that area have been evacuated. Let's also tell you, Kritzwin and our viewers, the BMC has said the Mumbai Fire Brigade has been directed to stay alert to respond immediately in case of emergencies. 93 lifeguards have also been deployed at 6 beaches.
Yes.